Some of you may be familiar with the survey command. So on the left hand side, if I go down to my survey, you have a command that we can insert your points by specifying the Z height. But say for some reason you're running on either a budget version, architectural or mechanical, and you would like to add point at the Z height, now it's available under the normal point command. So the enhancement to it is that you can add a Z height to your points. So in this exercise, you can see I've split up my model space to two viewports. On the left hand side is a top view, and on the right hand side isometric view. You can change it at any stage, say for instance to a front view. And now as I'm going to add points on the left hand side, Caddie will give us a preview on the right hand side. So under geometry, subcolumn, we're going to make use of the normal point command. And as soon as we read the command line, Caddie will ask us, indicate the position for the point, specify the height manually. So if I'm going to press H on the keyboard, Caddie will ask us height for point. I'm going to say 500. I'm going to say OK. And Caddie will ask me indicate the position for the point. So I'm going to indicate the first point. And as you can see in the preview, it added at the height of say 500, because I know the existing points was added at 2000. So if I want to repeat the command, I can press spacebar. I can just click on the command again, and Caddie asks us indicate the position for the point. I would like to specify the height, so I'm going to press H and I'm going to make it 1000. As soon as I say OK, Caddie asks us indicate the position for the point, and I'm just going to place it behind it, press escape. So on the left hand side, if I'm going to orbit it, as you can see, there's my two new points added with different heights. And I can even go another step further. If I make use of my DTM, I can ask Caddie to triangulate those points for me now. And there's my model on the left hand side, a front view on the right hand side.